everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how can you fix your Eero Pro 6 not registering. So here's a troubleshooting guide for your setup, app and network. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Fix 1. Hard power cycle your broadband modem. Unplug the power cable from the back of your standalone internet provider modem. Disconnect the Ethernet cable linking your Eero Pro 6 to the modem. Leave the modem completely powered off for at least 2 full minutes to clear the provider IP lease. Plug the modem back in, wait for its online lights to go solid, reattach the Ethernet cable and restart the Eero registration. Fix 2. Toggle Bluetooth and location services on. Open the System Settings app on your smartphone or tablet device. Verify that your Bluetooth radio switch is toggled completely on to allow local device discovery. Check your app permission settings to ensure the Eero app has location access set to always or while using app. Close the Eero application completely, reopen it, and attempt the node pairing sequence again. Fix 3. Switch the Ethernet cable to the alternate port. Unplug the Ethernet data line from the back of your Eero Pro 6 device. Inspect the cable ends for any broken plastic clips or bent internal gold pins. Insert the cable firmly into the other auto-sensing gigabit Ethernet port on the back of the Eero. Push the connector in until you hear a clear clicking sound confirming a secure hardware link. Fix 4. Perform a hardware reset on the Eero node. Locate the small physical reset button on the bottom surface of the Eero Pro 6 shell. Press and hold the reset button down continuously for exactly 15 seconds using a paper clip. Release the button when the status LED light on the front flashes yellow or red. Wait up to 2 minutes for the status light to transition into a blinking blue pattern indicating it is ready to register. Fix 5. Disconnect external switches and local hubs. Remove any network switches, wired computers, or smart hubs plugged into your setup layout. Connect the Eero Pro 6 directly and exclusively to your main internet provider modem using one single line. Complete the account registration and firmware updating process while the Eero is in this isolated state. Reconnect your downstream switches and peripheral hand-wired dishes only after the Eero is successfully registered online. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.